Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your browser and navigating to Accounts. Google.com. You will pick Create Account and select For Myself. This choice matters for access and privacy. Enter your real name and then a username that fits Google's rules. Use letters, numbers, periods. Once done, create a strong password and confirm it. Make sure to record the password safely, and if prompted, provide a recovery phone or email to help regain access later. This gets you to the verification stage quickly. You will receive a verification code by SMS or recovery email. Type it exactly as sent to confirm your identity. Once verified, go straight to Security Settings to enable two-step verification. That extra step prevents unauthorized logins. Configure account recovery options with a secondary email and review activity controls so data sync and personalization match your comfort level. Make sure to adjust sync in Chrome if you want bookmarks and passwords saved. You finish by completing your profile, accepting the terms, and reviewing Google's prompts for personalization. Sign into Chrome to enable sync so bookmarks, history, and passwords follow you across devices. Make sure sync is configured under your Google profile. If something goes wrong, like verification codes not arriving, first clear browser cache and cookies, then retry or try a different browser. If still blocked, use the recovery email or wait a few minutes before requesting a new code. Persistent errors may need account support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.